Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to add audio track in Premiere Pro. It's pretty simple, let me show you. First of all, open up project in Premiere Pro, then go ahead and download some track. I have track already downloaded, so it's this one. So I will drag it into the project panel. Right now you can double click it and choose which part of the track do you want to add. So let's say I want from here all the way to here. Now I have to drag right here from this wave and drag and drop it underneath my clip. I will mute the audio of my clip so we can hear only the music. And now, as you can see, I can play it and I have the music inserted. So it's really this simple, guys. If you want to add the whole track, not cutting it, you can just always drag right here and add the whole track. So I will delete this one and add it right here. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.